21. Following. Following is the ability to sense the decrees of power and obey them. Wow, what a statement. So Eum here shows a couple of scripts, and of course we have our charming little character that represents us. And she says, wake up. 1, reject the script's control. 2, start to follow the script. 3, compose your goal frame. So what Eum is saying here, as I interpret it, is that we all have the ability to switch scripts at any time, but first we must reject the script's control. Or, as I was talking about in the previous lesson, our habit of controlling the script as well. So when we decide that we want something better or something different, we must reject the script's control and start to follow a new script, I think is what Eum is telling us here. Composing our goal frame and being willing to switch scripts and actually move. Because remember, sometimes, most of the time, at least this is how I see it, if I create a new end frame that has something wild and big and extravagant and really cool, I might have to totally switch scripts to get there. So first, I have to wake up and acknowledge the script I'm currently on and the control that has over me. And then I have to start following my new script and composing my end frame, right? That slide, that future frame, that end goal. So what else Eum is saying here? Observe. 1, track your attention. 2, track the advantage and benefit from it. And 3, track and illuminate the upcoming slide. So I'm going to interpret a bit here. Tracking your attention simply means, are you remaining in your center screen, allowing yourself to move freely down the script without you getting pulled into either your inner screen or your outer screen and becoming distracted, or your intentions getting pulled away from that future frame? Track the advantage and benefit from it. So I'm not sure exactly what she means here, but what I would say is anything that comes in between you and that end frame, this is really your moment to practice the advantage method and realize how you will benefit from that event on the way to your future frame. Track and illuminate the upcoming slide. This is huge. This is your use of thought markers. This is your use of the plate. This is you illuminating that end frame and keeping yourself on track to your goal. So with that, stay tuned for 22, Outer Power.